Now that you have set up the Laser Credit Access app in your Salesforce org, we need to be able to access your specific credit bureau. Start by going to lasercreditaccess.com and clicking on the Account Setup link. Next, scroll down to the Customer Contact Information section and complete all of the contact information requested. That's the easy part. Next, scroll down to the Credit Report Setup section. Before continuing, we'd like to mention a key bit of information. Throughout the remainder of this process, you will need to provide various information regarding your specific credit bureau accounts. This may not be information that you have at your fingertips, so in just a moment, we will provide you with contact information for each bureau so you can call them and collect the required information. We will discuss this section in just a moment, but for now, let's go ahead and start entering information. Enter a reorder limit. A reorder limit is a safety feature to protect against multiple new credit reports against a person in a short period of time. The standard is 30 days. If a report is ordered within this time frame, you will simply get a copy of the report that was already pulled instead of a brand new report. In this section, you'll need to check all of the bureaus that you would like to set up. As each box is checked, additional fields will appear specific to that bureau. For this demonstration video, we will select only Experian. At the top of each bureau section, you will see the phone number for customer service and their hours of operation, so you can easily contact them if you're missing any of the required information. Next, enter a score model or models. There are many variations of the score models, and we need to know specifically which score model your account is set up to use. If this is incorrect, you'll still get a credit report, but not the credit score. Each bureau can have up to 2 score models. For example, the credit score and a bankruptcy index, or other bureau-specific scores. If you're unsure of what codes to use, we have included a reference section where you can view the score models offered by each bureau. The codes are listed by name and a product name. To be certain that we have the correct information, please specify the product number. Similar reference sections also exist for purpose codes and fraud products. Now enter a purpose code. Each bureau may call this something different. For example, some may refer to it as a kind of business code. To get an idea as to what this is, look at the inquiry section on a credit report. You'll see who pulled the credit report and what kind of business. That is how this is used. We must have this information when setting up your account. Complete any additional information required by each individual bureau you are setting up. Finally, enter any applicable fraud product codes. These are optional and typically incur an additional cost from the credit bureau, but are available if you subscribe to them. Once you've completed all of the required fields, click Submit. This will give us the information that is needed to get you up and running. Thanks for watching this video on setting up your credit bureau accounts with Laser Credit Access.